we have a new JLM power trowel powered by a Chinese gasoline engine. I'm going to turn it on and show you that it works. So you want to make sure that your shut-off switch is to on. And then right over here, this is your choke. You want it on this side to choke it. And then you want this lever here on that side to open your fuel valve. We'll go ahead and start it here. You got your throttle over here, then you got another shut off over here, and then you got your pinch control right over here.